Good afternoon, Rowena.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Can you tell me about yourself?
I am Rowena Espaldon, 39 years old and residing in Philippines.
Okay, I have few questions for you to answer, so let's start. Why do you want to work as a maid?
I want to work as a maid to help my family for the financial support and stand by myself.
Okay, why you choose Malaysia when there's a lot of other country?
I choose Malaysia because I feel comfortable than the other country.
How are you qualified for this job?
I am qualified for this job as a hardworking person.
May I know what is your educational level?
High school graduate, ma'am.
Okay, what is your recent experience?
My recent experience is helping my sister in school canteen by serving the students and the teachers.
Okay, have you worked abroad before?
No, ma'am.
Do you have experience of taking care of baby?
Yes, ma'am.
Whose baby you taking care of?
My sister, ma'am.
Okay, how about elderly people?
Yes, ma'am.
Whose elderly people you taking care of?
My grandmama.
How old is she?
She is 84 years old, ma'am.
Do you have any other special skills?
Yes, ma'am. Cooking and cleaning the house and washing.
Okay. Are you willing to learn new skills?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to work with a family where the mother-in-law or any relatives stay together?
Yes, ma'am.
Currently, are you still working now?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you know how to cook?
Yes, ma'am.
What sort of food can you cook?
Filipino dishes, ma'am.
Like what?
Like adobo, pinakbet, paksiw, sinigang.
Okay. Are you aware that you will have to do washing, cleaning, ironing, and cooking?
Yes, ma'am.
From all the house chores, which do you like most?
Washing and cleaning, ma'am.
If ever you were selected to work in Malaysia, who will take care of your kids?
My sister, ma'am.
How much is the salary as a maid in Malaysia as you agreed and understand?
1,200 ringgit, ma'am.
Okay. What is the two rules agency have fixed in Malaysia?
No cell phone and no day off, ma'am.
How many years is the contract as you agreed and understand?
2 years, ma'am.
Can you describe for me your ethics?
Ethics is cleaning, cooking,
I repeat, can you describe for me your ethics, your attitude?
I am a hardworking person. I am honest. I am caring also and loving.
Okay. How can you assure to us that you will work hard in Malaysia?
I'm sure that I should to work in Malaysia as a hardworking person, ma'am.
Okay. Can you promise not to use the telephone without the permission of your employer?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you promise not to put on makeup but to dress properly while work?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you promise not to invite friends and relatives without the consent of your employer?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you promise not to ask for advance salary from your employer under any circumstances?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you really understand of the rules and regulations of the agency?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you pay any placement fee for you to come to Malaysia to work as a maid?
No, ma'am.
Do you have any history of sickness, example breast cancer or any other illness?
None, ma'am.
Do you suffer from any skin diseases, allergy or physical defect?
No, ma'am.
Have you suffered from any serious illness?
No, ma'am.
Have you undergone any operation?
No, ma'am.
Are you medically fit?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you on any medication?
No, ma'am.
Are you allergic with any food?
No, ma'am.
Okay, Rowena. We have finished our question section. Let's go to case study. I have 2 case studies for you and I want you to answer me truthfully, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, number 1. Upon arrival in Malaysia within 6 months, if ever any of your family members pass away, what will you do? Will you continue to work till finish your contract or you will go back?
I will finish my contract, ma'am.
Okay, number 2. Once you reach Malaysia, let's say if you don't like to work and you want to go back, you have to bear the entire damages and the losses. Are you agreed for that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Rowena. What do you want to tell the employer who watching your video right now?
Hi, sir, madam. If I were selected as your domestic worker, I assure you and promise you to do my duties and responsibilities and to finish my 3 years contract. Thank you, sweet ma'am.
Okay. Thank you very much, Rowena. We will update to your agency if there's any selection made by the employer.
Yes, ma'am.